Hey, this is Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today I want to do a review on this great book, How to Convert Wood and Charcoal into Electricity by Richard Buxton. And this is a small little book. It's only about 60 pages or so. Black and white. Comes from Lindsay Books, Lindsay Publications Incorporated, which is a really great website. I don't get anything from saying it. I just order a lot of stuff from them. And basically, what this guy did, and this book is basically an article of how-tos, and what this guy has done is he has went step by step in showing you how to create a masonry and well casing stove that converts scrap wood into charcoal. But it doesn't just make charcoal. It takes the gas off, the wood gasification, and shows you how to purify the wood gas in order to run an internal combustion engine. And you've got to be real careful, and he talks about it in depth. You've got to be real careful in how you do it because there's a lot of acid. You know, acid rain comes from the sulfur that's emitted when you burn carbon material. And so he shows you how to filter out the acid so that you don't tear up your engine. And so even though this is really small, it's very, very useful. And as soon as I figure out a spot to do it and I can get my wife to buy in, I want to build one of these things. And even though I'm not very good at masonry, I mean, it shows you, in step how to do it. Materials, specifications and everything. And this was a pretty cheap book. It was under $20. I think it was like $10, and it's very, very useful. So until next time, you can always catch us on prepperbookshelf.com. Thank you.